Good evening everybody. Today I am taking a class in Tally. Okay, today I am taking the second class of Tally. Okay, my name is Rizan. I am a computer faculty. I make a part computer. Usually in Tally we have 21 vouchers, but normally we use 8 vouchers. And in Tally we have that is what are different vouchers, like we have journal, then we have contra, then we have sales, then we have purchase. Okay, these things are different types of vouchers. Payment voucher is there. Okay, and next what I do now today show you how to alter the company. Okay, I'll go to Tally, and usually Tally has got two versions. One is single user and one is multi-user. Single user and multi-user. Okay, either you can say cash or you can say debit and credit. Cash transaction and debit and credit transaction. Okay, like that. Now here what I'll do. Now if you want to select a particular company, what we do? Okay, press whichever company you want to select. Okay, enter. Okay, like that. Now if you want to select one more company, later you can select multiple companies. Press F3. Again you go to select company. Whichever company you want to select. Okay, like that you can keep on selecting. Press F3. Okay, then go to select company. Okay, then you can keep on selecting multiple companies like that. Now here what I will do. Now again you press the F3. Okay, if I want to delete a company, first you press the F3. Then you go to alter company. Okay, alter company. Which company you want to delete? You select that this one company name. Okay, then what you do? You press Alt plus D. Okay, then you press yes. Okay, now this particular company is deleted. Now it will not be in the memory, but in shut company it will be in the memory, but it will not be in the current application. Okay, there is a difference between alter company, delete company, and shut company. Okay, like that. Now suppose if you want to go to a particular company, there is again press F3. Now suppose I will say I want to go to TCS Technology. Enter. Now whichever company that is coming the block words means that particular company is selected. TCS Technology is in the block words means that is particular company is selected. Okay. Now these things you can do. Now in this, suppose I want to check for single date or current date, you press F2, function key F2. See, this is for checking the single date. 1/4/2020. Usually financial years will begin with the bid of the April to the next March 2024. Okay. Now if you want to see the date period, okay, if you want to change the date period, you press that is Alt plus F2. Starting with the 1st April and ending with the 31st March 2024. Single date means F2, Alt plus F2 is for checking the date period. Okay. These things are very important to be learned in the Tally class. Okay, in the next session I will take other concepts. Okay, today I will stop it here. Okay, thank you.